Exploring thermal springs, nature's warm wonders. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of thermal springs. Whether you're a language learner or just curious, this journey will enhance your understanding of this natural phenomenon. So, let's get started. Thermal springs, also known as hot springs, are a natural occurrence where water is heated by the Earth's internal heat. This heated water then makes its way to the Earth's surface, creating pools or streams of warm water. These springs are found all over the world and are known for their therapeutic and recreational benefits. The formation of thermal springs is a fascinating process. It involves water penetrating deep into the Earth's crust, where it is heated by geothermal energy. This hot water then rises back to the surface through cracks and fissures. The temperature of these springs can vary widely, depending on how deep the water travels and the rate of flow. Thermal springs have been used for centuries for their health benefits. The warm water is often rich in minerals and can help with various health issues like muscle pain and skin conditions. Additionally, these springs have become popular tourist destinations, offering a unique and relaxing experience amidst nature. Throughout history, many cultures have recognized and revered thermal springs for their healing properties. These springs often hold a significant place in local traditions and folklore, with many ancient civilizations building baths and spas around them. Some thermal springs are home to unique ecosystems, with special types of plants and animals. The temperature and mineral content can vary greatly from one spring to another. They can also be indicators of volcanic activity, as they are often found in volcanic regions. We hope you enjoyed learning about thermal springs and their wonders. These natural hot baths are not just a source of relaxation but also a window into the Earth's geothermal activities. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been informative and enjoyable.